In Vim, you can open multiple times and keep them in the buffer, and then you can cycle through them. To do that, we type escape, args, and then what pattern of files you want to open. So this can be a bunch of Python files in the folder, or a bunch of C files, C++, Java, whatever you want to open. You can do it. You type asterisk dot the file type you want to open in your project. And then it opens all of them, even though we only see the first one. So we can cycle through them by typing escape, next, and then it goes to the next file, escape, next, escape, next, and that's how you can cycle through them. Now, if you're at the last one and you type next, it actually tells you it can't go beyond the last file. So it's not like Pac-Man that it goes back to the first one. It really goes to the end. To go backwards, you type escape, pref. So with pref, you can go back to the other files, and with next to the next file. So you have all of them open at the same time in full screen. It can be quite useful when editing multiple files in a project, and you can quickly cycle between them, but still having all of the screen space available for those files instead of having them stacked in little windows.